Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2017 Chevy Impala. Don't matter how your Impala look, if it's like this, it's the same procedure. Don't matter what year your Impala is. So what I'm gonna change today is the pretensioner right here on the passenger side. I have a video for the right side. I have a video for the left side, which is the driver's side over there. And I'm gonna put a link in the description for that video if you want to see that video, and also I'm gonna put the link for this video in that video. So alright, so let's do it. You want to pull the seat forward all the way. This is a manual seat, so pull it forward all the way. And if you want the part number, it's gonna be right here, so you can pause the video when you can get the part number. Alright, and now you want to raise the seat all the way up. And you can remove this right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. As you can see, that come out like that. Retrieve the screw. So this one, if I lower the seat, I can get this to come off from here. But on the driver's side, it went down way more than this, so I couldn't get it. So I'm gonna do it just in case your car, because I think this have like 2-stage to it, like it's a 2-stage tensioner. So I'm gonna do it like this, just in case your car, when it went off, it only deployed the first stage and it didn't go all the way down like the first one. Alright, so whichever one you get, you will be able to do it like this. Alright, so you want to look under here, see where the plug is, and you want to unplug the plug from there. Alright, so I'm gonna unplug the plug. I'm gonna drop the seat back and look underneath the seat. Alright guys, so this is it, the plug right here. You want to pull that back, squeeze this and pull back on that. You want to hold this and pull this down, get that down, bring that over here and unplug it. Once you unplug it, you're gonna see like you have a clip right there. So I don't know if you can see this clip right here. You probably can't see it, but you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to push it back like that. And then you want to pull the seat forward again. And after you do that, you want to raise the seat up. Oh, it's already up. So basically, the clip I just pulled over there in the front, it's just like this. It's just like this right here. And just push back on it. Release it from the middle. Take it out like this. Alright, so the next step is to go in the back and remove the 2 bolts in the back and raise the seat up. Alright, so there you go. Same thing for this side right here. and it's gonna be a T50 torque. You want to raise the seat up a little bit and put something underneath it. Alright, that's what I put underneath the seat, as you can see, to raise the seat up. And when you do it like that, it gives you access to that that T50 torque out there. Alright, so let's get to that side. There you go, you have that T50 torque. Go ahead and remove that. Remove the bolt so it's loose, and you can bring it up through here. Bring it up through here. Alright. You need to remove this, so you need a flathead screwdriver. You can see it already damaged a little bit from the impact. Alright, so get your flathead in there, push it all the way down, and pull it like this towards you, and voila, that's a 10mm right there. Remove that, slide this down and out. Alright, as you can see, that's the old one, and this is the new one. So you see the difference. So how this works is, when it ignite, you pull this down to help the belt, to help strap you more tight in your seat. Alright, so you don't move around as much. Alright, and it tightens the belt around your lap too, so that's real good. Alright, so that's the difference, guys. This one deployed, so it's no good. And let's do it. Put this back in and put it from underneath, or you can run it from up top. Just had to rerun your clamps. So I'm gonna tighten this up, and then I'm gonna run back these to where they were. Alright, so yeah guys, I catch back the plug right there. I run the wire, so just follow the way you take it out and you will be good. Pull the seat forward again, and I tighten this, and now it's time to install this right here. Same way you take it out, install it. Alright, and tighten it back up with a screw. So far you connect the pretensioner, boom, double check your work, make sure everything going good so far. You want to get this and hook it under here. You want to hook this up under there like that, and basically you want to do that. And tighten this up. Put the bottom part first, and then you just lock it into place like that, and that's it, guys. That's how you change the pretensioner in the Chevy Impala 2017. If your Chevy Impala look like this, no matter what year it is, if you have this model of Chevy Impala, interior look like this, it's gonna be the same thing to change this right here. Alright, it's gonna be the same procedure. It don't matter if you have a 2016 or a 2017, or if you have a 2018, or if you have a 2019. It's the same thing. It don't matter if you have a 2015. It's the same procedure. Alright, so So now it's time to get back to the back and tighten that those 250 port right there. So yeah guys, it's all nice and tight, and that's it. Seat is tight. And a tip is to, when you're putting forward the seat, when you want to lift it up, it might touch up here, so you might need to let the seat fall back some, then you can lift it up. All right, thank you guys for your love and support. Peace out, see you next time. All right guys, you can see that the airbag light is on, and let's scan it and erase those codes, because we already changed the pretensioner. I'm not gonna scan all the code, I'm just gonna stop that and go to airbag. I'm gonna display the code. As you can see, pretensioner. So you see it's all the codes they give right here, and they all saying passenger and driver side pretensioner. And they're all history code now because I already fixed the problem. So let's clear codes and see what the airbag light do. And it went away. And come back, so there's something else, so I'm gonna scan it and see. So I also have to change the seat belt for the driver's side, so I'm gonna have to get them ordered a seat belt for the driver's side. All right, but that's how you change your pretensioner. If it was just your pretension alone that was messed up. All right, thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Peace out, see you next time. And as you can see, before I order it, because it says circuit loop circuit open, before I order it, I'm gonna take it apart and see what it look like down there, and then if I need to order it, I order it. If it's just unplug, I plug it in, or if it's the wire broke, I fix it. All right, so yeah guys, this is what I do. I put a resistor in it, a 3 ohms resistor, so to see if the wire is broken or whatever it may be. All right, to throw that open circuit. So I'm gonna check the circuit by eliminating the seat belt. So maybe it's inside here that's broken, so I put this right here, so I'm gonna check it to see. So let's see what the airbag light do. Crank the car up, and the airbag light went away, as you can see. Alright, as you can see, the airbag light went away. I know I have the check engine light on, but that's for the active shutter grill in the front, which I'm gonna change because I have the parts here too. But that's for our next video. But I'm gonna need to order a seat belt, the retractor, and then we can change that, and we good with that. All right.